Think 3D printing is just sci-fi magic? Think again. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is like your own personal factory. It works by layering material, think liquid resin or powdered grains, under computer control to build a 3D object. Imagine creating a complex shape layer by layer straight from a digital 3D model or CAD file. The most popular form? Fused deposition modeling or FDM. Developed in the 80s, FDM allows you to print everything from Lego bricks to plastic gears. And it's not just for fun. Engineers use it for high-performance prototypes and ready-to-use parts made from engineering-grade thermoplastics. Why has 3D printing exploded in the last 30 years? Versatility and accessibility. Whether you're a hobbyist or a manufacturer, there's a 3D printer for you. So next time you see a 3D printed object, remember, it started as a digital dream, layer by layer, turned into reality. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's printing in 3D. Want to dive deeper? Hit that subscribe button and join us on this tech journey.